Alright, let's try this again. Looks like I'm getting sound this time. Goddamn software, I swear to God, man. Oh, nothing. I'm on the phone. Let's see here. Yeah, silver's doing something. It's called a wedge because the lower, if you look at the 3-month chart, the lows are rising where the highs are dropping. So we got lower highs and higher lows. It's coming into kind of a wedge, and when it does that, it's a downward facing wedge, which means the odds of it going lower are higher than the odds of it going higher. So I wouldn't buy just yet. I'm waiting for the screen to load, and the volume's drying up, which is good, but it still looks, it really has found support at the 45-day moving average, but since there's no such thing, it's not really a bottom. It looks like it's finding support at 1250, but there's really no such thing as a triple bottom, and it's been there 3 times now. So it'll be interesting to see what happens to silver now. But I noticed, interestingly enough, that I think inflation is starting to creep into the market because the dollar is weakening, and stuff like the food ETF, DBA, and UGA, the gasoline stock, I added to my position today because it broke through $24, which was resistance. If you look at the chart, it's resistance, and today it broke out on the heaviest volume that it's ever had. So I added to my position in gasoline, and I'm just waiting for silver to follow suit. It looks like the banks are having their way with it right now. So let me look at the ZSL for the short silver. Come on, come on. I almost got triggered today on a short sell, but not quite. Obviously, if silver falls lower than the 45-day moving average, you want to go short by longing the ZSL. Or that's what I would do anyway. I can't tell you what to do, but that's what I would do. What else? That's pretty much it. The market was way up today, which would happen if the money starts creeping in. We know the money will start hitting the market when the dollar weakens. And right now, yeah, see the ZSL that's moving into kind of a wedge too. So we look at the dollar. Let me look at the dollar here. Sorry, internet's kind of slow right now. I'm upgrading to cable here pretty soon. DSL sucks. Okay, come on, dollar. Yeah, dollar's down to 86.87, so it looks like the uptrend could be breaking here pretty soon. Yep, it's right at the 45-day moving average. If it falls below 86, it'll have broken the trend. Trend would be broken. So it looks like inflation might be coming on. So let's see what happens. So it's going to get interesting here real soon, because when something's coming into a wedge, like silver is like this, it has to, when it gets to a route here, right before the point, if you draw straight lines on the tops and the bottom of the price movement, they'll intersect like this. And right around here in the intersect point, silver will have to make up its mind whether it's going to go lower or higher. It's not going to keep going sideways. So we could be looking at a squeeze here for higher prices or lower prices. You never know. But when you have a breakout up or down from a wedge, that's the direction you go with. So if it breaks down, we'll short it. If it goes up, I'll actually buy some, even though the system says not to buy yet. I'd actually go in, because a wedge is a different situation. I've seen it a million times. If you come in down into a wedge and it breaks out one way, that means the traders have decided to take the price higher. So that will be cool. Oh, and keep in mind, anything that reaches an all-time high has a 97% chance of going higher from there. So when silver passes 54 bucks, it has a 97% chance of going higher from there, and then there's unprecedented territory after that. So and gold's been enjoying record territory for a long time, so silver's obviously the redheaded stepchild, and it will have its day. That's why we're all in it, right? That's right. I guess that's gonna do it today. I'll do a video on options, explaining options when I have a little bit more time and energy. I'm kind of tired today. Yeah, that's options on the SLV for making the big bucks, but you only do that after silver. You know, after silver passes 20 bucks and everybody has a nice profit, take a little bit of that profit and buy some options with it, because you can really leverage your money that way. So I guess that's it for today. Sorry about the sound thing earlier. I gotta pay more attention to what the hell's going on. Anyway, that should do it. Hope you guys liked my Wizard of Oz CDs. I didn't really do a good job. I wanted to get them out there because I don't know. But if you haven't seen my Wizard of Ounce, check it out. I think it's pretty interesting. So, all right, that's it.